to clean up, erase, or reset your WordPress website for free. Imagine the following scenario. You have many plugins, many images, many contents on your site, many posts, and you don't want that. You want to reset, you want to restart it all again. You have made a backup and you want to clean things up. How to do this for free? Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin. Enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, into Search Plugins, you're going to be able to find a field called Search. Click WP Reset. Type this, okay? Wait while the page loads. And here is the guide we're looking for. WP Reset, most advanced WordPress reset tool. Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Now, review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over Tools, okay? And on Tools, you're going to be able to find a new submenu called WP Reset. Click on it. Once right here, the plugin tool is going to start working. All we have to do is scroll it down, okay? So just scroll the page down until you find this option right here, Site Reset. It's a quite hidden because they want you to buy the Pro version. So just find Site Reset, it's free. Now you're going to have a couple of options. You can reactivate your current theme, up to you. You can reactivate WP Reset plugin, reactivate all currently active plugins. I don't want that, okay? I just want to reset. So now you need to type reset into the spinner, just like this, okay? And you can create a snapshot, okay? So you can create a backup point. I recommend that you backup your site because this is gonna delete all the site data. Just do this in the case that you are sure that you want to do this, okay? Now type reset, click on reset site. Are you sure you want to reset site? Clicking reset WordPress will reset your site the full values. All content will be lost. Always create a snapshot if you want to be able to undo. Up to you, okay? I recommend that you create a snapshot. Once this is a demonstrative site, I will not lose anything, so I can click on reset. And we are good to go. Site reset. You're gonna be logged out, you're gonna need to log in again, okay? So nothing to worry, it's not a problem. You're gonna need to log in on your site and set things up. With no more plugins, no more themes, no more exceptional things. So all we have to do now is see what you want to do. In the case that you want to reactivate, in the case that you want to re-upload, but no more media, no more posts, no more pages. All the default installation of WordPress. Simple, easy, and effective. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!